What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to make an update on the 2JZ reseal video where I did the head gasket, timing belt, water pump, full reseal, all that stuff. I've gotten a lot of great feedback on it. A lot of people thought that it was helpful, which is awesome. That's exactly what I was going for. When I was looking to do the job, I couldn't find a full video like that anywhere, and the videos that were out there were kind of just, you know, like this. So I just wanted to make an update on it. It's been about 8 months since I've done that. I've driven the car only 9,000 miles since then. My wife and I had a baby, so we haven't really gone out much like we used to, so the car has been sitting more than it used to, but we did drive it about 9,000 miles, and it's been, like I said, 8 months ish since the job was done. So I just wanted to make a quick update. Everything's great, everything's still good. I did notice a minor oil leak, which I'm gonna have to address. You can probably see there, the timing cover is leaking a little bit. It's not dripping, it's not soaked, it's just wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and ignore that for now. Maybe this summer I'll address it. Other than that, everything's running great. There are no leaks, there are no issues. I have since rebuilt the exhaust on this car, and I'll link the video in the description for that if you're interested. I made a nice 2.5-inch dual exhaust. I kept the stock manifolds, but it's manifold back, cap back basically. As you can see, the coolant in the reservoir is still, well, maybe you can't see, but everything's still good. Used to leak oil all over the manifold on this side, like it was just soaked. It actually got to the point where it was smoking if you let it sit for a while, and the engine oil would go onto the manifold. You start driving it and it was just smoky. See, on this side, it didn't leak much on this side. It was mostly on the exhaust side, but it was also leaking / possibly burning coolant. I had a vacuum gauge on the cooling system one time, and it just didn't hold vacuum at all, like at all. So that tells me that, well, there was a leak. But yeah, everything is going great. I have since, you know, I've done the daily red line. You know, red line a day keeps the mechanic away kind of thing. So you want to do that to your cars to keep them running great, and I made sure to do that. And other than the minor oil seepage, which, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and ignore for now, everything is great. Everything is still clean. I've changed the oil several times on it since then. Transmission's still great. This summer I plan on fixing this issue here, and hopefully having the hood be one uniform color again. I want to get different side markers for it. I want to get the LED clear ones. As you can see, we're still in winter mode, but summer tires are going on soon. I want to redo the tint on the front windows because I kind of messed up on it. I got some bubbles, especially on the passenger side, I mean. And then there's this annoying line right here that, well, it's annoying. I'm at 180,300 miles. I did the engine rebuild at 171,600. Been almost 9,000 miles. Check engine light is actually for an O2 sensor, and it's got nothing to do with anything engine related. It's the fact that when I rebuilt the exhaust, I didn't put in one of the O2 sensors. I tried to run it pretty hard and rev it and redline it and drive it hard, and temperature just stays right where it's supposed to be. Everything's great. So that's about it. All I wanted to do is just say that everything's still good. Like I said, I received a lot of positive comments in the head gasket video, so I just wanted to thank you all very much. It means a lot, the support that I've received, and all the good comments, all the positivity, and also just ignore the dumpster in the back because I'm in a random parking lot waiting for my wife to get her hair done. I had to do something, so I might as well film. And well, I guess stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.